starting a new Excel worksheet. Now to start a new worksheet, I'll just come here and double click on it. I've already told you how to access the software quicker. Instead of going through the programs list, double click on it to open. Good. This is how to start a new worksheet. Click on blank workbook here. Good. Now in Microsoft Excel, it is made up of worksheets. This is sheet 1. This is another sheet. Okay. So a combination of sheets like this is called what? A workbook. So the whole of it is called a workbook. Okay. And a workbook is made up of what? Worksheets. Sheet 1 and so on. You can give it a name. You can just say, you double click on it. Just say practice 1. Okay. I've renamed it. I'll just call this, I'll just say tutorials. Okay, so that's how to give it a name. So if you want to work on this worksheet, you click on this. Now, after opening a worksheet, okay, workbook like this, after opening a new Excel workbook, the first thing you do is to save. You go to your keyboard, just press Ctrl S. That's it. Then you browse, more options. Go to your documents, okay, browse. So document takes you to a document. Now I want to form a new group of work. So create a folder for it. So we just right click, okay, and say new, and say folder, and we'll call it Excel. Okay, just say Excel. That's to accept it. Again, to open it. Okay, so let's just call this Excel tutorial. Excel tutorial. Okay, click on save. Good. Once you save it like that, you'll see the name appearing on the title bar. Okay, name appears here, Excel tutorial. So this is how to start a new Excel workbook. A workbook is made up of what? Worksheets. Okay, that's it. So you can start typing, you can start doing your work. For example, you want to just enter something, you just click like that and you start typing. Let's say serial number. Okay, press the tab key to go to the next one. Now say item description. Okay, press the tab key. Okay, then you know here will be quantity. Okay, tab again. Now say cost. Okay, yes, quantity, there should be unit cost, for example. Okay, then tab again. Now say cost. That's it. Press enter. So you can see this. Just come here, double click. Okay, come here, double click. Come here, double click to expand it. Okay, that's it. I feel that this is too small, 11. I want to take it to standard font, which is 12. I'll click here to select the whole of my worksheet. I'll come here and grow it to 12. I'm okay like that. Okay, so that's it. So if I want to make it visible, I want to type there, I want to make it visible, I can just hold down my control key and scroll out. Scroll out. Okay, I can start working like this. See that? See that? Start working on it. So this is how to start a new Excel workbook.